Okay, so here we are trying a quick little tutorial about some of the features of the Beanstack mobile app. You can use this on tablets or on phones. So first you go to your Beanstack app, find your school or library. Cassidy should be the only one that comes up, and then you can sign in with Clever or sign in with username and password. If you sign in with username and password, that's going to be your Cassidy email address, and your password will most likely be your birthday. If you are a faculty member, it will not be your birthday. Instead, you will need to view the video on the faculty webpage to see what your password will be. We're going to click sign in with Clever though, because if you are in lower or primary division, you have a QR code, not an email address to sign in with. So again, when you go to Clever, you can log in with Google, which will be your Cassidy email address, or log in with a Clever badge. So we click on that, and you will have to allow the camera, and then find your QR code. And again, it logged me into the website, not to the app. Why is it doing it that way? I am not sure. If you wanted to work on things on the app, in the top left corner, there is a lovely blue log reading and activities button. If you click on that, it gives you several options. You can log reading, you can log pages, you can complete an activity. We want to log pages. And so here you see a calendar. You can change the calendar if you want. Select any day. You can search for a title, or you can use that little button on the side there to scan a QR code. Again, you'd have to allow camera access, but then you can find the ISBN number on the back of a book to scan a book title in. And see, it is now filled in my title, my author, and given me an image for my book right there. Then I say how many pages were read, and then if I would like to include a review, and then I just hit log reading. And that will save it all for me. If, however, I click on log reading and log reading, this will let me record the time spent reading. I can start a timer here, or I can just record a certain period of time that I have read. And again, I can search for a title, or I can use that QR code in order to find the title in order to record it. And again, I can change the date that I read the book or listened to it if you're listening. So for Cassidy, we are trying to track pages for our challenges, but if you want to get on the leaderboard, we need to track minutes as well. So if you are using the website, you will need to log twice, once for pages, once for minutes. It is okay that it is the same book. It is okay that you are logging twice, as long as you are counting both those pages and those minutes.